It's your girl Shay, and I want to meal prep with you. If this food makes your mouth water and your tummy rumble, then join the rest of the people asking me to teach them how to meal prep, because there's a lineup, girl. I swear, just watching this video, your ass gonna get fat. I'm telling you, girl. Keep watching to see how I meal prep in an hour for the entire, did you hear that? Entire week. Ain't nobody got time to cook every day, for real, for real. Honestly, I prefer to eat chicken because it's leaner than beef. It's packed full of protein and it's a lot easier to cook, I find personally. Make sure y'all nasty ass wash your damn chicken because that shit's nasty as hell. The chicken breasts I buy are hella huge, so to make it easier to cook and eat, I can't fit that whole thing in my mouth, girl. I split the chicken breast in half. Now we got some more pieces. So the only seasoning I'm going to use today is salt. There you go, all seasoned. Psych. I like my food spicy. I need flavor and seasoning. I'm going to use spicy Montreal chicken seasoning. And this Texas barbecue seasoning I got from the dollar store because I'm cheap as hell. You know how it be, girl. This one has some salt already mixed in, so I don't need to add some salt. Make sure y'all season both sides of your chicken. You'll be surprised how many people season one side. That's dumb as hell. Now prepare your pan with whatever oil you like. I'm using canola. That's the only shit I had. When the pan is hot, add the chicken. Let it cook until you start seeing it turn white. That's just the deliciousness being added to the chicken. Don't be alarmed. I added some chili powder. You don't have to. Once one side turns white, flip it over. I like my chicken tender and not dried out. This took maybe 10 minutes on each side. Look at them chickens. Oh, delicious. Zoom in on the ass. Tender, juicy. Hey, that's deliciousness right there. I always have a side of some veggies, and this week I felt like some cherry tomatoes. Do I need to tell y'all to wash your vegetables? Like, no, I don't think I should have to. Yeah, no, you little nasties. It's shower time for the veggies. Chop them up like you like. I added some sun-dried tomato sauce on my chicken for some extra flavor. And I added some chopped tomatoes just to be extra. I'm telling y'all, this was delicious. Delicious. Now I'm gonna show you a trick to steam your broccoli or any veggies. Get a deep pot and add a little bit of water and let it boil. Then you're gonna put a cylinder inside the boiling water, and now you have your own steamer. I like using this because I don't like my broccoli too soggy, like how it gets when you boil it. Plus, you lose most of the nutrients anyways. Steamy, steamy. Your vegetables get a sauna date. After I'm done, I cook the rice. Y'all don't need no tutorial on cooking rice now, come on. And I add a little bit of sun-dried tomato sauce on the rice. So yummy. This has got to be my favorite meal prep. Like, this is delicious, okay? And this is the finished product. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe to me, and join me on my fitness journey for some laughs and some comedy. What's your favorite thing to cook, you know? Comment down below. I want to talk to you, okay? So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Love y'all.